Well, you can't ask me that.
What actor, actress, director has given like a fan moment where you simply were working with somebody or you got real excited?
I was introduced to Peter O'Toole by a casting director who cast me in a film, who literally went, Peter, this is Mark, this is Peter. Mark was in The Name of the Father, I was in The Name of the Father. Peter O'Toole looked at me and went, oh my God, you play Paddy Armstrong. And shook my hand, and I was like, and the only thing I could get, all I was kidding. My God, it's Lawrence of Arabia. 70-odd years old or whatever it was at the time. I mean, he's still beautiful. It's beautiful, man. This eyes, blue eyes. Extraordinary. And all I could say was, pleasure to meet you, sir. There's a lot of that. I mean, I guess starstruck. There's some great people out there.
I just have another brief point. You mentioned Doctor Who. Out of all the doctors, do you have a particular favorite?
Patrick Troughton. Tom Baker. I mean, they're all good. They're all good. That's great. It's amazing. How hard a job is that to follow Tennant, who has a job to follow Protect? I mean, it's like, that's a no-win situation. It's not got progressively camper, it's got progressively more brilliant. It's just exponentially strange. And that's a perfect choice, because it's nothing like any of the other ones that have ever been. Tom Baker is something else. I mean, they're all good.
I've got a soft spot for John Pertwee.
From where?
John Pertwee.
Yeah. Pertwee when I was a kid. That was my when I was a kid. But I remember him as Wurzel Gummidge.